Hey everybody, today in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can create Facebook page on mobile. So first open up the Facebook app, then tap on this menu button, create new profile or page. Alright, just tap there. So if you wanted to create a professional page like for business, or if you wanted to go with personal, you can choose personal. So I'm just going to create professional page and then clicking on next. Now you need to name your page name. So this is my page name. Now I'm just going to click on next. So now from here you will need to choose something related to your page name. So my page is related to jewelry and art craft. Maybe yours like health or musician band. So it depends upon your category, so make sure to choose the category that you prefer. So I'm just going to choose here art and craft store, and you can still choose many others, but I'm just going to hit done. Once you guys are happy, so just tap on create. Now here are your bio and everything here. So what is this page about? So you can name anything about your page. Now if you have a website, you can put website, but I don't have it right now. And if you have like phone number and email, you can also put them. And also you need to put location, stuff like that, but this is all are optional. So you can say always open, or you can specify the hours as well, or you can show no hours available. So now all you do is fill up the email, phone number and location. So once you guys fill up your address and everything, you can now tap here or whatever you want, and you can tap once again done. You can set this like always open, and things gonna be changed set here, and then tap on next. And from here you'll need to pick up your logo and banner. So if you guys don't have banner and logo right now, you can skip this process. You can always put this later. So I'm just going to put this later. So I'm just going to click on next. Now this is showing you guys like invite your friends and family. So I'm just going to send myself here as an invite and tapping on next. You can invite as much as you wanted to, but you can do that as well later. So here you don't want to choose here like marketing and promotion email about the page. So you just wanted to turn this on. All right, so after you guys are good, then tap on done. Now this is creating your Facebook page, and this is how it look like. Now you can change the logo as I told you that, and you also have like professional dashboard because you have switched to professional, not a personal. Right now every time you post like stuff, it will show the analytics on this professional dashboard. So yeah, you can start with challenges, and Facebook going to show you selective focus, like if you wanted to reach more people or wanted to make money or whatever. So I'm just going to say I wanted to reach more people right now, so just update this, and it's going to set the goals here. Now you guys can go ahead and explore this tab. So well, this is how you should make your page in 2025, and it's that simple. So you can see this is my page right now. It's fresh. I can create a post, reel, or even stay live. So yeah, this is it guys. This is how you should create Facebook page in 2025. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.